In this video, I'm going to take you step by step through an actual Lasik procedure. We'll be joining the video once the Lasik flap has already been performed. There's a laser that we use called a femtosecond laser to create this flap, and usually that takes about 20 to 24 seconds to perform. And where we join the video here is after that flap has already been created. We use something called a speculum here to keep the eyelids open. And this is a soft white sponge that we're using to dry off the surface of the cornea. And then here you'll see the edges of the flap here, and I'm using a little white sponge to just dry off the edge of the flap there. And then I'm going to use a little marker to mark the edge of the flap there. You'll see that with the green arrow there. And then now I'm using something that's called a spatula to get underneath the flap so that we can very gently and carefully lift open the flap. Now this flap is only 100 microns in thickness. That's about 1/10 of a millimeter. And so it is very, very thin. And so there we see the flap is opened up. And then now I'm just gently dabbing along the surface of what's called the stromal bed. And here you will see a red light, which is a reflection coming from the actual laser itself. What it's doing is trying to find the pupil so that it can lock on to the eye, and it keeps track of where the pupil is to make sure the pupil is centered. It also looks at all of the shape of the iris and all the little freckles on the surface of the iris for perfect centration, so that even if the eye is moving around during the laser treatment is still applied to the correct area. And this whole time the laser treatment was working, and there it is, the laser treatment is done. And now we are putting the flap back in its location. And then here you'll see there's a little bit of moisture I'm going to place on the surface of the flap, and then I'm going to again use a little bit of moisture underneath the flap to flush out anything else, any debris or anything else that's underneath the flap. And I'm going to very gently massage it into place. And right after that, I'm going to use a moistened white sponge. And this moistened white sponge will help me to do something called painting the flap. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm painting the flap. I'm making sure that the flap is sitting in its proper location. And you can see that little mark that we had made in the beginning along the right side there is aligned. And that line traverses the edge of the flap. So it allows us to confirm that indeed the flap is sitting exactly where it's supposed to sit. Here, I'm using something to gently dab along the edges of the flap just to make sure that there are no edges that are irregular and that everything is nice and smooth. The flap gets sucked back into place within about 30 seconds, so there's no need for any stitches or anything like that here. And the flap is adherent to the area underneath the flap, which is called the stroma. And here I'm using a high-powered magnification and a light just to confirm again that the flap is perfectly flat, that there are no wrinkles, and that it's in the correct spot. And then here we're just putting some eye drops on the surface of the eye. Those are medicated eye drops, steroid eye drops, antibiotic eye drops, and lubricant eye drops. And that's it. That's the whole procedure. And here we're going to start removing all the other pieces, including this metallic piece called the speculum. And the Lasik procedure is done here.